Now we are harvesting a sweet potato. See the blackish grow bag from Israel Technology. The beauty of utilizing this black grow bag, it will absorb more of atmospheric heat, and in the high temperature only the sweet potato, all rhizome family will grow in warm, favorable climatic conditions. So now we are harvesting this sweet potato. See the grow bag itself. See the beauty of harvesting this grow bag. See abundant size of this sweet potato we are getting. Now I am doing upside down so that see, this is the beauty of organic cultivation on open terrace. See, we can retrieve more of yield with this grow bags. We will supply this black color grow bags, and so that the sweet potato will grow with abundant size like this. See the beauty of sweet potato. Single grow bag we can retrieve this much of yield. See the beauty of this sweet potato. So we have to utilize the open terrace. See, almost see so much of yield, we can get from single grow bag. See, this is the beauty of organic cultivation on open terrace. See, బట్ మీకు ఎక్కువగా రైతులు మీకు ఓపెన్ ల్యాండ్ కల్టివేషన్లో ఎంతో ఇబ్బంది పడతారు. వైల్డ్ పిగ్స్, నెక్స్ట్ మీకు డిఫరెంట్ ఏది ర్యాబిట్స్, నెక్స్ట్ రొడెంట్స్, ఇవన్నీ మీకు ఎంతో పిల్ఫరేజ్ ప్లస్ డ్యామేజ్ చేసే అవకాశాలు ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. బట్ వీ కెన్ యూటిలైజ్ ద ఓపెన్ టెర్రస్ బై డూయింగ్ దిస్ రైజోమ్ కల్టివేషన్. ఈ విధంగా మీకు మన ఓపెన్ టెర్రస్ని పుష్కలంగా మనం యూజ్ చేస్తే even we can retrieve tons of sweet potato from open terrace without any stress and strain. So meeku inta huge size, mega size, macro size and incredible size sweet potato we can retrieve on open terrace cultivation. So this is the beauty of organic cultivation in Israeli technology, that is water permeable grow bag. మీకు గ్రో బ్యాగ్స్ ఇటువంటి బ్లాకిష్ కలర్ ప్లస్ మెరూన్ కలర్ ప్లస్ గ్రీన్ కలర్, బికాస్ all organic cultivation preferably we use it to take green color grow bags. So this is the beauty of organic cultivation on open terrace with tremendous retrieving tremendous sweet potato yield. See, this is the beauty. Somebody say మీకు టెర్రస్ మీద ఎంత మీరు పండించగలరు, ఏది మీకు చాలా తక్కువ ఈల్డ్ వస్తుంది అని చెప్తారు. మీకు ఆల్ రైజోమ్ ఫ్యామిలీ, ద కనెక్షన్ విత్ సన్లైట్, if there is any abnormal temperature or unfavorable climatic conditions, means too much of heat will initiate, too much of heat it will activate, too much of heat will enhance the growth of a rhizome family. Rhizome family means ginger and sweet potato, and curcumin, and carrot, radish, and beetroot. All rhizome family we can successfully cultivate on open terrace without any efforts, without any stress and strain, and without any problems. So this is the beauty of organic cultivation on open terrace. So time is money and space is money. We have to utilize our minimum space with retrieving of more of yield in cages of yield and even tons of yield by introducing terrace cultivation on open terrace, so that with minimum efforts we can retrieve maximum yield only in organic cultivation, that too on open terrace. See the beauty. So much of weight, almost this is around 5 to 6 kgs single grow bag. If you take 100 grow bags, you will get 600 kgs, means 6 quintals. So this is the beauty of organic cultivation introducing by Israel technology. We have that technology, and we can supply this sweet potato export quality with tremendous nutrients, minerals, vitamins, calcium, magnesium, zinc, all essential elements will be abundant in this sweet potato. If you cultivate in the open land, the rhizome will not grow this much of big. Because this is Israeli technology, we have coco-pit, micro, macro nutrients, and a vermicompost, but there is no soil at all. So all the nutrients, micro, macro nutrients, and essential elements, zinc, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, calcium, and all essential minerals and metals we have in the vermicompost, and you can retrieve more of yield by introducing on open terrace cultivation by Israel technology. So we will supply this export quality sweet potato, and sweet potato 1 inch piece. If you plant 1 inch plant, you can get more than 6 to 10 kgs of yield in a single grow bag. So this is the beauty of cultivation on open terrace rather than open land cultivation. See the beauty, so much of huge size, mega size, macro size, and incredible size of sweet potato we can retrieve on open terrace without any efforts and stress and strain, without any animal problems like wild pigs and rabbit and other dwelling animals like rodents will pilferage the germinating this sweet potato. See, this is the beauty of sweet potato on open terrace. With we can get tremendous yield by doing nothing. Just you keep grow bag exposure to sunlight and plant this 1 inch of sweet potato stem, and after 3 to 4 months the sweet potato will bulge like a bubble, like a balloon, and I can feel the weight because so much of weight the sweet potato we are retrieving in this Israeli technology grow bags. So intermittently we can pour water. So this is the technology of cultivating this sweet potato, all rhizome family, even ginger also we can retrieve this much of yield, and curcumin also we can retrieve this much of yield. This radish, sweet potato, and beetroot, and carrot, and kanda, pendulum, and all rhizome family we can successfully cultivate with selection of this black color grow bags with vermicompost, micro, macro nutrients, and now and then you pour water so that the leaves can synthesize chlorophyll, and abundant of it will the sunlight itself will stimulate, will rejuvenate, and will accelerate, and will initiate, and will enhance the bulging of this rhizome family. This is a sweet potato, and a radish, and a curcumin, and this ginger. All rhizome family we can yield tons of yield on open terrace without any efforts, without any facing animal problems like a wild pig. Wild pig will dwell within 24 hours, 1 acre of land. So much of pilferage and damage facing these farmers in open land cultivation. So better if you have open terrace, we will cultivate. We will cultivate so that win-win situation. We will introduce grow bags, and my person will supervise, and there will be surveillance, and we will every fortnightly or weekly or fortnightly we will pour vermicompost, so tremendous pure organic yield you can get without any residues of pesticides. So in open land cultivation, so many tasks and tasks the farmer should face, because animal attacks and insect attacks, and Ophio family means snake attacks, and there will be buffalo attacks will reduce the yield of any crop, even it is rhizome or this sweet potato or any crop tremendously comes down in open land cultivation. But in a tremendous yield we can retrieve on open terrace, because time is money and space is money, and time is very precious, and space is also more precious, and age also. Our age never stop, because according to time the age is expiring. So you have to utilize time, space, and age. So we can retrieve this much of yield by introducing this grow bag. 1 square grow bag, we can get more than 10 kgs of this sweet potato. So this is the beauty of organic cultivation on open terrace. So please contact the scrolling number, so that we will demonstrate, and we will give special educative sessions for how to implement and how to retrieve more yield with limited space, and you can be the farmer on concrete jungle. Your name will be a valuable farmer on concrete jungle. So please subscribe GRTV. Please press bell button. Please share it in your big friend circle. Please share it in your big family circle. Please share it in your big relative circle. So, please comment on uploading videos, so that your comments are our best stimulations, and the best energizers, and the best supporting words to our GRTV channel. Thank you so much for watching.